Good afternoon, friends. Now we are discussing least count method in the transportation problem of module number 3 in operation research. So find the solution using least cost method. So we have 3 sources here and 4 destinations here. So the demand and supplies are also given in the data. Here the shipment costs are shown in the form of the matrix. So using least cost method, we need to assign the shipment from various sources to different destinations such that the total transportation cost will be the minimal one. So the name itself says that least cost. In the entire table, the assignment will be made where the cost is very minimal. We are not going here row wise or column wise or any other searching. So we are just searching for the least cost in the entire matrix. So here the entire matrix in the first iteration. So 8 is the lowermost element. So we are going to assign to this. So here first we have to check whether the summation of demand is equal to summation of supply. If not, so either by adding dummy supplier here or dummy destination, we are making it the balanced one. So the smallest transportation cost is 8. So you have to assign to this particular cell. So that is third row, second column, S3, D2. So here from the given table, so demand is 8, supply is 18 for this particular cost. So the particular supply is 18 and the particular demand is 8. So out of 8 and 8, so 8 is minimum. So we'll assign this 8 to this 8. So demand becomes 0 and supply becomes 18 minus 8. So that is 10. So supply becomes 10 here, demand becomes 0 because the requirement of this destination is fulfilled now. Demand becomes 0 now. All the 8 units required is allocated here. So here out of 18 units available with the supplier 3, 8 units are exhausted. Now 18 minus 8, so that is 10. So ST is left out with 10 units. Now column number D2 will get removed from the further iteration. Now the next smallest transportation cost in the table is 10. So for this 10, demand is 14, supply is 7. So we are taking the minimum one. So allocate 7 to this 10. So supply becomes 0 now. All the 7 units will be allocated to this. Supply becomes 0. So S1 will be removed. So now out of 14 units required, 7 are supplied. So still 7 more units are required. So 14 minus 7, 7 we are writing. 7 we are writing here and supply is made 0. So get rid of this supplier S1. Then the next smallest value here is 20. So we have to allocate to this 20 now. So having the supply of 10 and demand of 7. So 7 will be allocated to this. So this 7 becomes 0 now. So D4, demand for the fourth destination is fulfilled. So get rid of D4. So D4 demand becomes 0 now. Everything is supplied. So demand becomes 0. So get rid of this D4th column. So now out of 10 units available, 7 are allocated. So 10 minus 7. So 3 more units are left with supplier number 3. So write 3 here. So 5 plus 7 becomes 12 here. 9 plus 3 becomes 12. So we are going in the right track. So the next minimum transportation cost. So here after 20, so then we have 30, so then 40, so like this it goes. So finally we have the allocations here. 10 into 7 plus 70 into 2 plus 40 into 7 plus 40 into 3 plus 8 into 8 plus 20 into 7. So 814. So here number of allocated cells is 6. We made allocations at 6 places. So it is equal to m plus n minus 1. So m is number of rows, n is number of columns. So 3 rows and 4 columns. So minus 1. Since here 30 is there repeated at more than one place, we are going to the next allocation here. So to get the total transportation cost of 814. So the solution will be called as non-degenerate because we made allocations at 6 places equal to m plus n minus 1. So number of allocations is also 6. M plus n minus 1 is also 6. So the solution obtained is non-degenerate. So this is the initial basic feasible solution. So this is called as IBS. So still there is chances of improving the allocations. So we are discussing that in optimality test using Modi method, that is modified distribution. Modi, modified MO, distribution DI. So using Modi method, so we will test whether the solution obtained is optimal or not. Thank you.